Hello everyone, I'm Lily, and welcome to Lily in the Kitchen. Today we'll be making lettuce with oyster sauce. The ingredients we need today are very simple. 1 iceberg lettuce, around 500 grams. 1.5 tablespoons of seasoned soy sauce for seafood, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Thoroughly wash and rinse the lettuce. Boil a pot of water, then put in the lettuce. Be careful not to cook it for too long. When the water boils again, take lettuce out in 30 seconds. Then put in the colander to drain out the water. Set aside and wait for use. Mix the seasoned soy sauce and oyster sauce together. Then pour evenly into the iceberg lettuce. Use a little or a small pan. Heat up the oil very hot and then pour it into the lettuce. You will hear a delicious sizzling sound. Mix thoroughly and then it's ready to serve. It's indeed very delicious. Alright, that's all for today's episode. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.